Welcome back to our Django Blogging app series. In today's episode, we will diving deep into implementing advanced features. We will be adding a categories, tags, implementing a like system, and creating dynamic blogs, single page, with rich content. Let's get started. Firstly, let's implement the categories and the tags. So for that, let's enhance our blog by adding categories and tags for better organization and navigation. So firstly, let's go to the models.py and let's create two new models. First model will be the category model and second model will be the tag model. So I have created the category model successfully. Let's create a new model as a tag. So both model will have a field as name and both model will be have a field as name and it will be unique. Now let's go and implement the category and tag views. Let's go to the views.py. Let's create a new view category. Let's return the HTTP response for the testing purpose. Let's copy paste this view for the tag as well. Now let's go and set up the URLs and let's create a template. So firstly, let's go to the urls.py. Then you need to perform the migrations. After performing migration, you need to run your local server. Then if now you go to the your website and then slash categories, then if you write here any name, so let's write the tag, and you will be able to see the tag here. Now if you write here tag instead of the category, then you will be able to see the tag as well. So now it's working perfectly fine. If we go to the admin panel, then we need to log in it. After login you will not able to see the tag and the model, the tag and the category models, but if you need to edit it from there, so let's go to the admin.py and let's import all the models from the models.py and then register all the models. So first model we will gonna register is category, then second model we will gonna register is tag. Now if you refresh it here, you will be able to see the tag and category models. If you go to the categories, you can add categories. So let's add a category as a tag, then save. Let's add another category as a food. Now you need to we need to show here the category name instead of this category object and then the ID. So for that you just need to go to the the models.py, and you need to override a method, a dunder method. So method is underscore string underscore double underscore, and provide a return the self dot name. Let's copy paste this method for tag also. If you save it here, and refresh it, you will be able to see the category name actually. Then if you go to the tags, and let's add a new tag. So tag will be the new, and let's add another tag as a test. See, we are able to see the tag name here. So now whenever the user go to the category slash the category is tag, right? So it should show all the blocks related to that category. So for implementing this functionality, we need to go to the blog model. Then let's add a field, so category, then models dot foreign key, because it will be only one category. Each model, each blog will have. Then provide the category, then let's provide the tags. So in the tags it will be multiple tags, that's why I am providing the tags. And here we are not going to provide the foreign key, we will provide the many to many field. Then let's provide the tag model name. Then we need to provide on delete. Then after providing this, we need to provide the on delete argument as well on the foreign key. So on delete, then models dot cascade. Now if you save it and just go to your admin panel, and then go to the blogs. Now it is required to migrate, so firstly let's perform the migrations. Category may have the null value, so let's provide the null as a true, because category may have each blog may have some categories, and even though some blogs don't have any categories. And we will provide a blank as blank equal to true as well as the tag. Let's provide the same thing. Now if you go and just migrate, now it's working. Let's run the local server. Refresh on your admin panel, and then add a new blog. And let's add a title, blog 1, then description. So description of blog 1, and choose a category. So let's choose a tag category, and let's provide the tag, the first tag. Then if you click on the save, the blog have saved and all with this information. Now let's override the string method over here as well, so we will be able to see the blog title here. So here title instead of the name. Now if you refresh it, you will be able to see the blog 1, the title here. Now let's add another blog. blog 2, and the description will be the description of blog 2. Let's provide a category as a tag as well, and let's provide the 2 tags here and save it. Now whenever user go to the /category/tag, it should show the 2 blocks which have the same category. So for that, let's go to the views.py, and firstly let's import the models. So category and then the tag model. So here we have the category name, which is the unique, so we can fetch the actual category. So category equal to category dot objects dot filter, and then provide the category. The name equal to name, then dot all, dot first, not the all, then it will return the category. Now if you return the category here, let's refresh it, we'll be able to see the tag which we are able to see previously. But if now you go to and just write any category that is not existing before, then it will show you the none. We will fix it in the next videos, like we will create some error pages like not found the category and stuff like that, but in today's video we are not going to do that. So now we have the category. If we go and just fetch the blocks, so blocks equal to blog dot objects dot filter, objects dot filter, and then provide the category equal to category. Then let's fetch all the blocks. Now if we return the blocks, refresh it here, you will be able to see the 2 blocks, so block 1 and block 2. So now it's working perfectly fine. So let's create the template for that. So let's create a new template, new file. In the templates directory, it will be the category .html. Then let's copy paste the code from the home.html to there. Now let's go to the views.py and let's render the template instead of returning the HTTPS response. As well as we need to provide the context, so let's provide the context, and here let's create a dictionary. Then here let's provide the category and the category, as well as the blocks, and here also blocks. You can name it accordingly, but I would like to name it same as the variable name. Now if we go to the categories.html, let's change it title as a category page. If you refresh it here, you will be able to see the category page, but we need to change this title with the category name. So for that it is so easy, like we just need to use the syntax and category dot name. Now see, let's remove the recent blocks. Instead of let's put the just blocks, and over here we are fetching it, so it is working fine. But if we go to the category of food, then we will not see any blocks, because that category don't have any other blocks. So category is working perfectly fine. So let's move to the tags. So we can just copy paste this view of the category for the tag as well. Let's return the HTTP response. So tag, let's print the blocks and let's see what we are getting. So block 1 and block 2. Now let's go to the admin panel in the new tab. Now let's add another block. So in the block, add a new block as a block 3. Let's provide the description as triple dot. Let's not provide the category right now, and the tag, let's provide the new tag. Now if we refresh it here and let's go to the, we are able to see the block 1 and block 2 and block 3. But if we go to the test tab, we will be able to see block 2 only. So it is working just fine as we want it. So now let's do the same thing. Instead of the returning HTTP response, let's return template, and the template will be the tag.html. So let's create a new template inside the tag, inside the templates folder, tags.html. And now let's copy paste the code from the category. Now instead of the category, let's provide the tag page, and then the blocks. Now if you refresh it here, you will be able to see the blocks of a tag. Now it is working perfectly fine. If we go to the category, then the tag. So let's add the like system. So for that, let's go to the models.py first of all. Models.py, and here in the blocks, let's add a new field as a likes, and the models.care field, not the care field, let's provide the big integer field, and then max length equal to, not the max length, but let's provide the default value as 0. Let's provide the positive big integer instead of the just big integer. Now let's perform the migration. So make migration, and it is showing an warning that we no need to provide the null as true and the blank as true in the many to many fields. So let's remove it and let's run the migrations again. Let's run the local server, and if we go to the admin panel, we will able to see a counter, like counter. If you click here and just go to the minus, you you won't able to go to the minus, but if you go to the positive, you will be able to go to the positive. So we just need to show here the like count as well. Uh, we need to show a button here. When user clicks, it will increase the count. It will increase the like count of that particular blog. So for that, let's go to the views dot. Firstly, let's show the like count. So home.html, here let's likes. So here we are able to see the likes count. Now let's add a button before that. So button, not the button actually, let's create a new form. It will be the post form and action will be the dot. So it will submit the data to the current URL, and let's provide a input submit, and the value will be the like. Now let's keep it as the span tag instead of the p tag, and let's provide the span tag inside the form. Now we are able to see the like count as well as the like button. If you click on the like button, it will show an error. So let's fix that error first of all. So we need to provide the CSRF token whenever we are requesting the post request. CSRF token underscore CSRF underscore token, and the change our syntax. Now if you click on the like, you won't able to see anything. So let's increment the like counter. So let's go to the home let's go to the home view. Then let's check before request dot method equal to, if its method is post, then let's increment the count of it. So for that, firstly let's print the request dot post. So it will print all the fields that form have. If we refresh it here, we will able to see just CSRF middleware token and the value of it, but we need to increment the like counter of a particular block. So for that, let's add another field here as a input hidden. So we won't the user won't able to see it, but from the backend we are able to fetch it. So blog ID, then provide a value as a blog dot ID. Now if you refresh it again and click on the blog 1, then see you are able to see the blog ID 1. Now if you click on any other blog, so blog 3, you will be able to see the blog ID 3. So it is the ID of third blog. Now let's dot get and then provide the blog ID. Now if we refresh it and then see, you will be able to see you will be able to get it 3. So we have the ID, so ID equal to 10. Let's fetch the blog. So blog dot objects dot filter, then let's provide the ID equal to ID, then dot all, not the all, dot first, because every blog will have the unique ID. Now let's print the blog for the testing purpose. So if we refresh it again, we will able to see the blog 3. So it is working fine. So now let's just do the blog dot likes plus equal to 1. and blog.save. So when you call the blog.save method, it will save the model in the database. Now we have implemented the functionality like system. If we click on the like, see like counter is increasing by 1. If we click on the block 2, it will increase the like count of the block 2 by 1. If we click on the block 3, it will increase the like count by 1. So it is working just fine. So we have implemented the logic of the like system, and we have created the uh, the model of it, a field of it. So it is working just fine. So now so we have successfully implemented advanced features like category tags, like system, and dynamic single pages. Our blog is now more interactive and engaging. I encourage you to explore further, customize these features, and let your creativity shine. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will tackle even more exciting aspects of our Django blogging app. Happy coding! Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.